What's going on, guys? My name is Joe, and this is the Sailing Club from Rockport Works. Now, not only are you going to get some great boat shoe styling with this work shoe, you're going to get a lot of great safety features. We've got the safety rated steel toe up front, as well as electrical hazard rating down here on the outsole. It's going to be slip, oil, and chemical resistant, incredibly rugged stuff there. It is made out of a durable leather throughout. You got that nautical lace detailing back there around the back. The lining, super soft to the touch. Has this removable footbed. It's going to provide some really nice in-shoe comfort for the long days. Now you can add a little nautical flair to your work day with the Sailing Club. It's from Rockport Works.